So this is the hallway. This is the room. They actually have a way of unlocking the door using your phone. You have to have the Sonder app in order to do that. When you open the door, the first thing you see is your fridge, your coffee maker. Then you move further into the room and you get to see the whole full bedroom. It's quite a big bed. I think this is a king size bed. On this side, you have some space to put like your bag or luggage. There's a light on each side of the bed. There's a drawer which is actually quite deep on each side of the bed. There's also a fridge which has enough space. We are actually doing this room tour as we move out, so it's a little bit messier than it was when we moved in, but I think it's still good. Each room comes with a TV which also has details for Roku over there. So you've got the Wi-Fi, the Roku details, information about logging in and logging out, checking in and checking out. We also have this dresser which actually fits quite a lot of stuff. One of the bags fit everything in here. So this dresser, is quite large. You have more than enough space. So I'm going to close this drawer here. Here you have a little seat that you can use for reading or just chilling. Well, we actually ended up using it as like a drop zone for clothes, which is what usually happens. This is the view from our room. We were on the 3rd floor. There's a pool outside, which you can see over there. Actually, I think that this pool is heated. My husband doesn't think it's heated. We don't agree on that. And so there's also ample parking. So if you do have a car, you'll be sorted. There's a bedside table over here. There's also a clothing rack if you want to hang some long items. There's another drawer on this side as mentioned before. And that's the room. There's also like very simple artwork on the walls. Now I'm going to go into the bathroom, which is to my left over here, which would have been directly to your right as you walked in. I'm so sorry. I don't know how we left this. Let me see. Okay, so on this door you have a hairdryer that's hanging. We hung it the wrong way around, so I'm just fixing that very quickly. I'll put it back in a second. All right, then you have your vanity over here. As I've showed before, there's like a light you can push on and off. The toilet with the rack on top of it where you will get fresh towels. There'll be fresh towels there. I don't think it's great design. I actually have a big gripe with having towels over a toilet. I think it's just not the best design. But anyway, our bin is full. I'm sorry about that. You'll get like a shower. It's got a deep bathtub. We've actually just put our towels in there because we're leaving today. This is the room. This is the whole hotel room. Boom, very spacious, perfect location in Newport Beach. It was a very positive experience for us and I hope you stay with them. I think they're a great company. I've stayed with them in Long Island and this is my 2nd time staying with them and I will continue to do so. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Goodbye.